Another thing I would add to this is writing anta bandaga. Namal directors, because there's this talk happening. All of us, we all are people who fight with a lot of our friends who are filmmakers, producers in the industry. And so for that force, and they want to look cool now because they have a female in their writing team or something. So yen ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ heroine part na matra. Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, I've had yeah. So heroine the dialogues matra bariri anತಾರೆ. So my question was, okay, nimdondu build up idide. Now I will imagine the guy more sexily than you as another male will, unless you're gay, of course. So I'm like, let me write his, right?
If he is gay, he will.
Exactly. Unless you're gay, then even you will. But I'm saying as a straight guy, maybe I will imagine it better. Yeah. So I'm like, everybody can write about it. Like, you don't, ಈಗ writing iganta, there is, it is changing. ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು in the writing team, there are people. But ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಈ ಸೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? That's all. That is the female writer's job now. Like, we cannot have any opinion on anything else. Another thing is, yaak henmaklu tumba kammi andre, I think there is a responsibility for men also. Now, it is a very patriarchal society that we have, and there is a responsibility for men also there is a very negative tone attached to cinema industry.
No room for doubt.
So, there is a negative tone attached to women working in Kannada, in film industry, sorry, in any film industry. Industry sari iralla henmaklu, and if you say you are from the industry, they will look at you with doubt only. You'll industry kelsa ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, yarig gottu, yeah. So all those kinds, things are attached to it. So that stigma should go.
Because when a man does it, it's a trophy.
Absolutely.
But if a woman does it, she falls.
Yeah, she falls, why. Right? So
The man's eyes.
yeah.
The women's eyes as well.
Oh, in the women's eyes. Yeah. So that change cannot happen just by a few women sitting and speaking. An example to that is a heroine recently got married. After that, a lot of comments used to be, nim husband, he's also an actor. Nim husband goke ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಗೋಕೆ ನಾನು ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು, ನೀವು ತಾಳಿ ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಏನೋ ಅನ್ನಲ್ವಾ. And one day she lost it. She just put out a long post saying that, my whatever, saying all those things, that he doesn't have a problem and I don't need to answer you, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. I said, now get your husband to also come and say that. Like, it may not be the best way or the right way, but unfortunately that is the need of the hour. Innondu hudga band adin heldaga, out of 10 men, maybe 2 will think, avನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, one thought ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. They did a live. He came on Insta live. He said, I am nobody to control her life. And none of you all, first of all, should be bothered about it. But even otherwise, she has an independent life. She does whatever she wants to. I do whatever I want to. They had that talk. And I think that will that responsibility is there on the men also, and how the media portrays women in the industry. How do you speak about women? There's a lot of things. It is just not one thing that is going to change that. That negative tone is a very important.
Okay, I'll come to drive this to the conclusion because we have only 8 minutes left. And see, I will say some things. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ರಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ AI ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವೊಂದು ಇದರ್ 3D ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಲೈವ್ ರೋಬೋಟ್ ಕೈಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಸೋನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸೋನ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. I can say Shruti Hariharan's persona will do. The acting would have been done and we will put the persona on it, take her voice, dub it in various languages with AI itself. We'll pay royalty for her persona. She doesn't have to come to work. Idella madbodu. So many of the questions we are saying will be rendered null and void except narrative itself. See, that is the key. So the disruption can be, let us say you make a women's chamber of commerce as a challenge idea, and you network, lobby for it. Maybe it can be a short-lived thing till you don't need it. The idea of having an organization like that should be to make it extinct, irrelevant. That should be its purpose, actually. Till that time, and as interim thing you have, or you campaign and you do through that, you raise a fund to fund organic films, which are stories about natural participation of women in life and in work, in education, and so on. Natural participation of women in politics, perhaps, and natural participation in men, their follies, their right and wrong, everything you do, if you're able to do, you create a fund, and instead of releasing 300 films like these people are doing, you release only maybe one film a month, 12 films only you have to do. Maybe that's an interim step. ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. If you're free to respond to that. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 questions. ಶಶಿಧರ್, ಇನ್ಯಾರು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು, ಇಬ್ಬರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್ ರೂಪಾ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶಶಿ. After both the questions. Okay.
ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 ಜನ ಬಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು 20 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ವಿಜಯ ಮೂಲೆ ಅಂತ, ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿ ಮೂಲೆ ಅವರ ಮದರ್. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಟಫ್ ಲೇಡಿ. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಶಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್ಸು ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ she started Jamia Millia Institute of Media. She used to tell, unless we work, we have to raise the voice. And she was working for Marathi media dallu kuda kelsa martta idru. And she used to tell the film directors and also the upcoming women ivrige hegirbeku, and unless we bring good working practices ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Today, as Prakash and also Rupa Rao, you are making a mention of it. Today is no more ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅಲ್ಲ. In Barcelona, I attended a conference where European Union ಅಲ್ಲಿ films, women ಇವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. There also you find gender bias. Wherever you go, there is gender bias. Now you have come together. Now you have to make a starting of working together, how we can bring good working practices. Tomorrow, there is no films, it will be media. You will all be working for media. So, adrinda our direction alli hobeku. Let this be a starting point. You are joined together. Prakash is also there. We will be very happy.
Thank you, Shashidhar. Hinde, avrige mic kodi avrige.
Sir, just one thing. ವಿಮೆನ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಥರ ವಿಮೆನ್ 60s 70s ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೋರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಂಚುರೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಇಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಡೆಕೇಡ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರೋಣ.
Heli.
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Dr. Prayag. I want every one of you to answer this question because very pertinent felt. Yesterday there was a big news in the media telling Annapurni was removed from Netflix. And we talk about Kannada Chitrangali Mahalayaru. I was shocked to see our own Kannada actress shamming it. I want to name her also. Malvika Avinash wrote a Facebook post that women should be very careful in choosing the role. Whereas she herself has acted in a KGF movie. In that movie, it is full of violence. Whatever the movie is there, I really liked it. But in that movie, one dialogue comes where they tell woman entertainment. So don't you think this is double standard? And thankfully, Parvati from Kerala supported. No woman come and supported Nayanthara. So don't you think this is double standards? Thank you. And this movie was screened. It was censored. It was screened, and we all watched it. Just because it has something which hurts certain section of people, how fair it is to boycott or remove from Netflix?
Yeah, that's true.
So my
Politics.
If somebody wants to answer Shashi, there's also please do. Okay.
I think politics, religion, and entertainment has now all come together.
It was always together.
But yeah,
we're just talking about it now.
Yeah,
because social media amplifies even the smallest.
I think
thing.
social media has, yes, definitely.
Sir,
So that
no, like when I had a discussion with Amazon Prime and for a series, and the initial discussion alle they say that strong religious ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ, right? But then Netflix is a platform which is okay to take it. That's where I want to stop commenting about this, because it's I haven't seen
it
the
is
film
not
and I
the
haven't seen the tweet.
It's not the same anymore. For any corporation today to work in this country, they have to abide by our governing laws, and our governing laws are changing every day. And I think that is where
No, my question is, it was censored.
it doesn't matter today.
No, it was censored.
Agreed.
And we all watched it in the theaters. And now we talk about women in the Kannada film industry, any industry. Not even one woman came in the support of her colleague from the Kannada film industry, supporting it.
I don't know.
You know the thing.
ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಇದ್ರು.
No,
I didn't see anyone in the tweet or just.
ಅದು ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Look, I want
You
to-
don't follow them.
No, I follow every Kannada film actress. I didn't see.
Sir, I want to step in as a moderator. Any one-on-one discussion, you please take it outside. Question asked, answered or not answered. Is there right? Then you ask a supplementary thing. That's the end of it. You should talk after that, outside, because this is not. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ, ನನಗೆ ಏನನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಾಯಿತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಭೂತಯ್ಯನ ಮಗ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ಅವರ ಮಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಸುಧಾ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಾಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಜಿಯಾ ಆ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ಲಿದೆ. ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಶಾಪ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಆವಾಗ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ, ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ನನಗಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಥರ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನನಗಿವಾಗ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಸುಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಎ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಂತ್. ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಐಕಾನಿಕ್ ಇಪಾಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಮು. ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಾಗರ ಹಾವು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ನಿವಾಸ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಒಂದು 12 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಷ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಂತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವೋ ಜನರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಾದರ್ ದೆನ್ ರಿಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ವೇ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸುಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಎ ಫೋರಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಸುಚಿತ್ರ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಂತ್. ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾನೆಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಚಲಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಮಾನಗಳು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಥರ ಇದ್ದು, ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಯಾಕದು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೀಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇವನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಾಟ್, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಥರದ್ದು ಇರಬೇಕದು. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡೋ ಥರದ್ದು ಬೇಡ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಅದೇ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ 4 minutes ಓವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನಾನು ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಬಂದು ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. I think the draw has been the women, and like Rupa said, maybe people of my age should not be sitting here and conducting these conversations. Okay, but there was a woman to do this, but she backed out at the last minute. We had asked you to do this first, and then we had asked somebody else, but she couldn't come. So that is why this changed. But we will try. We would have put a woman to do this. And I love the idea. It's very it is very good that you said that, it's an organic issue. It's not just a feminist issue. I think it's a very important point to take. Thank you very much. We are closing this session. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಭಾಳ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. It has been education. Thank you so much.